How to fix Call of Duty Black Ops Cold War freezing and crashing issue. Here are some sections that would help you fix Call of Duty Black Ops Cold War freezing and crashing issue. 1. For PlayStation players, error CE34878-0. Restart the game, and try playing later. Update your PlayStation to its latest version. Place your PlayStation in a cool and well-ventilated place. Contact PlayStation support for more assistance. 2. Xbox players. Update your Xbox to its latest version, as well. Place your Xbox in a cool and well-ventilated place. Hint, Google tips re how to cool down Xbox. Clear the cache on your Xbox. Reset your media access control, MAC, address. Contact Xbox support for assistance. 3. PC players. Cool down your gaming PC. Ensure that your PC is running a compatible version of Windows 10. Run Task Manager. And terminate all unwanted/unused programs and perform clean boot. Update your video and audio drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. Last but not least, wait for an update or patch by Activision.